In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a delayed credit in QuickBooks Accountant. A delayed credit is perfect when you want to give a customer credit for a future invoice instead of issuing a refund right now. Think of it as a promise that reduces what they'll owe next time without changing your books today. Start by signing in to QuickBooks Accountant. Make sure you're in the correct client file so the credit goes to the right place. If you're just practicing or want to get comfortable with the flow, you can open a sample company first. That way you can explore without affecting real data. Once you're in the company file, look for the New button. Depending on your setup, you'll see it in the upper left or along the left sidebar. Click it to open the full list of transaction types. From that list, choose Delayed Credit. This tells QuickBooks that you're creating a credit you plan to apply later, not one that impacts the customer's balance immediately. Now complete the details on the delayed credit form. Start with the customer field and select the customer who will receive this credit. Next, set the delayed credit date. Use the date you want the credit to be recorded for reference, usually the date you discovered the issue, or agreed on the credit. For product or service, pick the exact item being credited. Using the right item helps ensure your reporting and accounts stay accurate. Enter the quantity that's being credited, whether it's one unit or several. Then confirm the rate or amount. This is the value you're crediting back to the customer. Double-check the math so the total reflects exactly what you intend to credit. If it helps your team or future you, add a memo with a short explanation, like why you're issuing the credit or any related document numbers. Clear notes make later reconciliation easier. When everything looks correct, click Save and Close. The credit won't hit your income or accounts right away. Instead, it sits in the customer's profile as a delayed credit. The next time you create an invoice for this same customer, the credit will be available to apply directly, reducing the amount they owe on that invoice. That's all there is to it. By using a delayed credit, you keep clean, accurate records today while making it effortless to honor that credit on a future invoice. Thanks for watching, and feel free to practice this workflow in a sample company before using it in a live file.